out of the Fairgrove area, TJR Development. Stock cars, whether it be dirt or asphalt oval racing. Tony Jackson Jr. will get you into the winner's circle. And now, here comes our Junior Honda feature of the evening. Maramy Ashcraft out of Colorado. She earned the pole in the number 21. Jordan Wernley out of Trenton, Illinois is in the 28. Owen Will Hope will be in the 91. Lime Will Holt in the 75. Lane New is in the 19. Here we go, 15 laps your race distance. Green flag out and we're underway with your Junior Honda feature. Maramy Ashcroft jumping out there to the early lead. But this one's not over. Orta Wernl really applying pressures as the ladies doing a nice job here in 1 and 2 in your Junior Honda feature. Caution come on the track for lane news number 19. Anytime a car in the quarter midget division comes to a halt, caution will be coming out. These kids using instructions from the receiver group. Maramy Ashcraft making the long haul out of Colorado in that black number 21. Looking good as we've got 4 laps complete, 15 to go, 4 complete, 15 to go. And the girls running 1 and 2. Showing the fast way around the Cowan Civic Center here this evening. All right, at the line, it should be a 1 to go. Junior 2 Clone Light staging lane. Junior 2 Clone Light staging lane. Box Stock Predator Super Heavy 400. You'll be following them. Here they come firing again. Green is out and we're back underway. Ashcroft and Wardle. Young ladies, keep your eyes on Jordan back there as she is really applying the pressure. And we got a spinner down in turn number 4. The 19 of Lane New, bringing out his second caution of the race. And New will take it to the pits, bringing out 2 cautions. Drivers were told in the meeting this afternoon, you bring out 2 cautions, you'll be retiring for that event. Here we go at the line. Got to remember, you can't pass below that starter's box according to the United States Auto Club quarter midget rules. Junior Honda feature bringing back out the green back, and here we go. Getting close to the halfway point. Maramy Ashcraft continues to lead the pack. Laps winding down to the closing part, and Maramy Ashcraft out of Colorado making it look easy as she starts to pull away here late in the feature. Coming out of turn 4, checker flag is out for Ashcraft. The ladies doing a good job here tonight in our Junior Honda feature event. You've seen we had a lot of the young girls out there during our kids' drivers introductions. Ladies and gentlemen, this family come all the way from Calhoun, Colorado to compete. Give her a big Lebanon round of applause. Maramy Ashcraft, tonight's feature winner in the junior Honda division.